Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And my name is Nicole Sierra, and I'm gonna be doing a Animal Crossing Nintendo Switch unboxing. I feel so special saying that because I know that not everyone gets to actually purchase one of these, so I'm really excited and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and watching me unbox it. Here it is in all its beauty, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first things first, this was $300 and it was out of stock for the longest time on every single website at every store. I feel like it was obviously an amazing treat to get an Animal Crossing edition Switch. I think that's really big, but I feel like quarantine, a lot of people started playing more, and as we all know, I'm sure all of the Switches were out of stock, so they finally restocked. I got mine off of Best Buy online. I called a lot of my local GameStops to see if they had it in person, and no one did, and no one had any information when they would get some. So my suggestion to you would be to look online because a lot of stores do not have them. I know Walmart did have the regular Switch in stock in person, but as far as the Animal Crossing Switch, I couldn't find it in stock anywhere in person. But online, I got mine from Best Buy, and so let's go ahead and take a look up close. So my box came in a little bit smashed, which kind of makes me sad because I feel like the box is something you would want to keep for how cute it is. So at the bottom, I'm going to pull this, and I want to keep it super clean. Okay, there we go. It's beautiful. So the Switch actually comes already apart in a clear plastic. Put that right here. And then the blue one. And the seafoam green is actually really cute. Okay. And I'm gonna lift this up. There's nothing really in there. It's just cardboard. Then we have the Nintendo Switch manual type of thing. We don't need that. Then in this little soft packaging, we have the actual charging station, I think. What's this? My nails actually match it. Wow. Okay, let's go back into the box. Okay. Then we have, the cutest part. So it's wrapped in bubble wrap. It's saran wrap. It's so cute. And it's matte. Oh my gosh, come on. How cute is this? I'm obsessed. Super cute. Honestly, this is so much more exciting than opening my Nintendo Switch Lite. And a beautiful cord. Okay. And of course the big charger. Huge, actually. Okay. And now our box is empty. Which, like the actual Switch, I've only ever owned the Lite. Hearing it click is like so pleasing to me. So here it is, like this. It looks so cute together. So I had tons of fun unboxing this Nintendo Switch in the Animal Crossing edition. It's so cute. I am just so excited, and I'm most excited to be able to play it on the TV. Like, seeing Animal Crossing and everything like huge on my TV is gonna be so exciting, and I'm excited to learn how to like actually record gameplay through that, because I did not enjoy recording playing on my Nintendo Switch Lite because you would just see the glare like this on the Switch. But it's absolutely beautiful, and I used to think that it was going to be too big for some reason for my hands, but definitely not. I think that it's like a good size, and I think it's super cool how the screen is huge. Like, I feel like it's going to make playing kind of a lot more fun on a bigger screen. So I'm excited. I am actually selling my Nintendo Switch Lite. So if you're thinking about purchasing between the two, if you have the extra $100 to spend, I would say get the Switch if you feel like that fits your lifestyle of like playing. But if not and you're on a budget, the Switch Lite is definitely just as good, you know, just as cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing this. Okay, let's turn it on now. English, the Americas, I accept. I don't even need to read it, I accept. Now I have to turn the Wi-Fi on. Now it says time zone, Chicago. Connect to TV. I'll do that later. Okay, detach the Joy-Con controllers from the console. Hold the release button. On the back of the controller and slide it out. Okay, so it's on the back like this. Slide it out. Okay. So it says setup is complete now. So now press the home button. And I transferred my data, like my user from my Nintendo Switch Lite onto here. If you made it here, I have spent agonizing hours trying to transfer my Animal Crossing game to my new Switch. Unsuccessfully deleted all my data, so I have to start over for sure. And I don't know how to transfer the game either, so I might have to repurchase the game too. So that's how my day is going. So that wraps up my unboxing video for my Nintendo Switch Animal Crossing Edition. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, let me know in the comments below if you do know how to transfer your Animal Crossing game, like the game itself, onto a new Switch, because I have no clue and I really need to do that. Let me know if you're interested in getting the Switch, or if you have one, or if it's sold out, or if it's not sold out yet online. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.